Hey there, dreamers and doers. Are you tired of the daily grind of the 9-to-5 life? Well, you're in luck because in today's video, we're going to explore how you can escape the traditional 9-to-5 and design a life of freedom and fulfillment. Get ready to unlock your potential and create your own path to success. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you'd better check our channel again. There you will find out the best side hustles for 2023 and how you can best invest your hard-earned money afterwards. Segment 1. Define your vision of freedom. The first step in escaping the 9-to-5 life is to define your vision of freedom. Ask yourself, what does freedom mean to me? Is it having control over your time, pursuing your passions, or being your own boss? Clarifying your vision will guide your journey. Think about what you enjoy the most or in which area you have already gained good experience that will help you. Segment 2. Identify your passion and skills. To escape the 9-to-5, it's crucial to identify your passion and skills. What excites you? What are you naturally good at? Find the intersection between your passion and skills to create a unique opportunity for yourself. Maybe you can think of something right away that you can do better than others. Segment 3. Explore entrepreneurship and side hustles. Entrepreneurship and side hustles offer an alternative to the 9-to-5. Start small by testing your ideas and pursuing your passion project alongside your day job. This will allow you to gain experience, build your network, and generate income. Check out one of our recent videos for some side hustle ideas. Segment 4. Develop your personal brand. In today's digital age, building a personal brand is essential. Define your unique value proposition and establish your online presence through a website, blog, or social media platforms. Showcase your expertise and attract opportunities that align with your vision. At best, try to use several social media after you are already a bit better known on one. Segment 5. Network and seek mentors. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your aspirations. Attend industry events, join networking groups, and seek mentors who can guide you on your journey. Learn from their experiences and gain valuable insights. Maybe you even have people like mentors in your family. Here, too, you can gather and apply good experiences. Segment 6. Learn and upskill. Continual learning and upskilling are key to escaping the 9-to-5. Invest in your personal and professional development by taking courses, attending workshops, or obtaining certifications. Stay ahead of industry trends and acquire the necessary skills for your chosen path. Try to be the best version of yourself and keep evolving. Segment 7. Financial planning and saving. Financial planning and saving are crucial when transitioning away from the security of a regular paycheck. Create a budget, save for emergencies, and reduce unnecessary expenses. Aim to have a financial cushion that supports you during the transition phase. You can also go back a video here and see how you can best invest your money. Segment 8. Embrace a growth mindset. To successfully escape the 9-to-5, embrace a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and persist in the face of adversity. Cultivate resilience and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. With a good mindset, anything is possible. Hard work beats talent. Segment 9. Plan your transition strategically. Planning your transition strategically is important to mitigate risks. Determine the milestones and benchmarks that will indicate it's time to make the leap. Consider building a safety net, whether it's having some savings or securing a few clients before quitting your job. Think about your plan step by step and achieve your goals. Segment 10. Take the leap and embrace freedom. The final step is to take the leap and embrace your newfound freedom. Trust in your abilities and the foundation you've built. Embrace the challenges and uncertainties that come with your chosen path. Remember, freedom awaits on the other side. You can do it. Congratulations, adventurers. You're now equipped with the knowledge to escape the 9-to-5 life. Define your vision, explore entrepreneurship, build your personal brand, and surround yourself with a supportive network. With perseverance, a growth mindset, and strategic planning, you can design a life that aligns with your passions and aspirations. Good luck out there. Everyone can do it.